Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Apple iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV. So as shown, right now I'm mirroring my iPhone to my Samsung Smart TV. So how do you actually go ahead and do that? How do you actually go ahead and connect your Apple iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first things first, you want to make sure that your TV and your iPhone are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network, okay? So that is step number one. Next, you want to go ahead and navigate to your settings tab on your Samsung Smart TV, which is this button right here. And then on this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says General, and then you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says Apple AirPlay Settings. So click on Apple AirPlay Settings, and then next, you're going to make sure that AirPlay is turned on. So notice how if I click it off, it's going to say off, but if I turn it on again, it's now going to say on. Next, grab your iPhone and then swipe down once you've unlocked your phone so that the control center appears. Next, you're going to click on screen mirroring and then click on your Samsung Smart TV. So that right there, guys, as you can see, is how to connect your Apple iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV. In order to change the orientation, by the way, this depends what app that you're in. So if I'm in my Safari tab, if I go horizontal, it'll change the orientation of my screen on my TV to be horizontal as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Apple iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.